Hello from LegalShield. So first things first, what's legal protection and why should you want it? Quite simply, a legal protection plan gives you access to an attorney for a low monthly fee. Attorneys are, well, expensive. We're talking $250 an hour expensive. But with a legal protection plan, you could spend a little less than that for an entire year of access to an experienced attorney whenever you need one. So, $250 for 1 hour with an attorney? Or the peace of mind that you'll have attorney access whenever you need it. That's a pretty easy choice. If you've used an attorney recently, this probably all sounds great. If not, you may be wondering, why would I even need an attorney? It turns out that attorneys can help you with all kinds of things you may not have even realized. Things ranging from traffic tickets to assistance with IRS audits, from helping you with your will to going over contracts. Whatever personal legal situation you're facing, an attorney can help you make the best decision for your family and your future while ensuring you know your full legal rights. And that's always a good thing. So, legal protection is a smart choice. Now, why choose LegalShield? For starters, LegalShield has been in business for 40 years, and right now, over 1.4 million families trust LegalShield as their legal protection provider. LegalShield has partnered with a dedicated full-service law firm in your state, which means two things. One, you'll never have to figure out which attorney to use, since we've already done the legwork. And two, you'll always get an experienced attorney from your state dedicated to helping you, all of which means you'll enjoy access to an attorney when you need it and even 24/7 access for covered emergencies. Just pick up the phone and you'll be connected with an attorney experienced in the specific issue you want to talk about. What all can the attorneys help you with? They can give you advice on what to do in a personal legal situation. They can write letters or make phone calls on your behalf when necessary, review personal contracts and documents up to 15 pages in length. And the minute you become a LegalShield member, you're covered with 60 hours of trial and trial prep time over the next year, with an additional 60 hours added each year for the first 5 years. This means that if you or your spouse is named defendant or respondent in a covered civil case, you'll have the peace of mind that a prepared, experienced attorney is on your side. As a member, you'll also enjoy access to online legal forms, all downloadable for you to fill in and review with your attorney, including documents to help you prepare living wills at no additional cost. In review, legal protection is good, and LegalShield is the best. Now let's talk about your specific plan. Your membership includes help with moving violations, IRS audits, real estate, family law, consumer law, estate planning. In fact, we give professional advice on all legal matters from the trivial to the traumatic. Your specific plan doesn't just cover you, it also covers family members, including your spouse, never married dependents under 26 who are living at home or a full-time student, children up to 18 for whom you are a legal guardian, and any physically and mentally disabled child for life. With LegalShield, you're in a position of power, with access to a dedicated attorney whenever you need it. Make the smart decision today and get legal protection for your entire family with LegalShield. Worry less, live more.